education honors. Role of family, school, community and media in addressing gender issues. 1. Introduction. Gender issues such as inequality, stereotypes, discrimination, and violence do not arise in isolation. They are deeply embedded in the social institutions we interact with from birth, primarily the family, school, community, and media. Each of these institutions plays a crucial role either in reinforcing gender bias or in transforming attitudes toward a more equal, inclusive, and just society. To eliminate gender based discrimination and promote gender equity, collective action from all these institutions is essential. 2. Role of the family. The family is the first socializing agent. It shapes a child's early understanding of gender roles, behavior, expectations, and relationships. 2.1 Positive roles the family can play. Modeling gender equality, parents can share household duties equally, challenge traditional roles, example, father cooks, mother repairs. Equal opportunities, provide sons and daughters the same access to education, nutrition, healthcare, and emotional support. Encouraging aspirations, allow both girls and boys to pursue careers, sports, or hobbies regardless of gender norms. Challenging stereotypes, avoid using phrases like boys don't cry or girls must behave quietly. Discussing gender issues, talk openly about menstruation, safety, relationships, and respect. 2.2 Problems caused by gender biased families. Preference for male child, natality inequality. Girls expected to do more housework. Restrictions on education, movement, dress, or freedom. Early marriage or neglect of girls' health. 2.3 Examples. A family that allows the daughter to play cricket alongside the son shows progressive parenting. A girl dropping out of school to help with house chores indicates a lack of gender support at home. Gender sensitive parenting creates the foundation for gender equitable society. 3. Role of the school. Schools are formal institutions of learning and socialization. They can either reinforce gender stereotypes or act as agents of change in promoting gender equality. 3.1 Positive roles schools can play. Gender sensitive pedagogy. Teachers encourage equal participation, avoid sexist language, and treat all students fairly. Inclusive curriculum. Textbooks should reflect the contributions of women, transgender people, and gender diverse communities. Equal facilities. Provide separate, clean toilets for girls and gender neutral toilets where possible. Leadership opportunities. Encourage girls and boys equally to lead school activities, sports, and science exhibitions. Addressing harassment. Implement child protection policies and ensure safe, friendly mechanisms for complaint and redressal. Menstrual education and health. Include boys and girls in menstrual awareness to normalize the conversation. 3.2 School problems that promote inequality. Teachers unintentionally giving more attention to boys. Curriculum with male dominant examples. Gender based classroom roles, example boys lifting benches, girls cleaning blackboards. Tolerance of gender based teasing or bullying. 3.3 Examples. A school celebrating Women in Science Week educates all students on women's achievements. Gender clubs like Meena Munch empower girls and build gender awareness among peers. A school can become a space for practicing and promoting gender justice daily. 4. Role of the community. The community, local leaders, neighbors, social institutions, religious centers, etc., plays a powerful role in shaping collective attitudes toward gender. 4.1 Positive community roles. Promoting education for all, community support for girl child education can raise enrollment and reduce dropouts. Awareness campaigns, organize gender sensitization workshops, street plays, and health camps. Protective networks, community can act as a watchdog to prevent child marriage, domestic violence, and sexual abuse. Inclusive spaces ensure safe public spaces, transport, and sports grounds for girls and transgender youth. Women's groups and SHGs, women led self help groups empower rural women, giving them voice and agency. 4.2 Community Challenges. Some communities pressure families for early marriage of girls. Patriarchal attitudes can promote honor based restrictions. Resistance to LGBTQ inclusion or sex education. 4.3 Examples. In Odisha, some villages have started community learning centers for girls who dropped out during the pandemic. Mahila Samitis, women's collectives, in tribal areas promote gender equity through economic independence and rights awareness. An aware and active community can support the family and school in ensuring gender justice. 5. Role of the media. Media, including television, newspapers, films, radio, and social media, is the most powerful tool in shaping public perceptions about gender. 5.1 Positive role of media. Gender equitable content, shows that depict strong women leaders, sensitive men, or inclusive relationships normalize equality. Campaigns for awareness, media can highlight issues like dowry, domestic violence, acid attacks, sexual harassment, and child marriage. Empowering voices, giving space to women activists, LGBTQ voices, and survivors to share their stories. Social media movements, hashtags like Hush Me Too, Hush Beti Bachao, or Hush Stop the Bias have reached global audiences and led to real change. Educational content, gender focused documentaries, school TV programs like Doordarshan's educational slots, and YouTube lessons spread awareness. 5.2 Media's negative impact. Stereotypical portrayal, women shown as objects, housewives, or weak, men shown as dominant or violent. Hypersexualization of women in films, ads, or music videos. Body shaming and unrealistic beauty standards in fashion and advertising. Promotion of toxic masculinity through heroes who solve problems with violence. 5.3 Examples. Shows like Satyamev Jayate raised public awareness about female feticide and child sexual abuse. Campaigns like Ariel's Share the Load challenge gender roles in households. Media has the power to challenge the narrative and reimagine gender roles for the better. 6. Comparative Table Summary. Institution. Positive role. Challenges. Family. Equal treatment, role modeling, open dialogue. Gender preference, role restrictions. School. Gender sensitive teaching, inclusive policies. Biased pedagogy, lack of safe infrastructure. Community. Social support, cultural change, safety net. Patriarchy, conservative beliefs. Media. Awareness, storytelling, mobilization. Stereotyping, objectification, misinformation. 7. Interconnected roles, working together. No institution can work alone to achieve gender equality. It requires collaboration. Schools must engage with families through parent teacher meetings on gender sensitivity. Communities must work with schools to provide support, report abuse, and ensure facilities. Media must highlight positive stories of change and challenge toxic narratives. Families must monitor and educate children on responsible media consumption. Together, These institutions form a supportive ecosystem for gender justice. 8. Government and policy support. To aid these efforts, the government has initiated several programs. Policy Program. Objective: Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Promote education and survival of the girl child. Sakhi One Stop Centers. Support for women facing violence. POSCO Act 2012. Protect children from sexual offences. NEP 2020. Inclusive and gender sensitive education. Gender budgeting. Allocate funds specifically for women's development. 9. Conclusion. Gender inequality is a multi-layered social issue. Schools, families, communities, and media are not just contributors to the problem but also key players in the solution. The family lays the foundation of values. The school shapes behavior and mindset. The community offers social support and resources. The media molds public perception and creates role models. Through collaborative, sustained, and conscious efforts, these institutions can create a world where everyone, regardless of gender, has equal rights, opportunities, and dignity.